everyone, it's Cindy with Creating with the Heart, and I'm back to share the projects that I made for the La La Land card making and coloring and card making workshop. So it's 2 days, and each day we made 3 projects. We colored 3 things, and then we made 3 projects with the things that we colored. And I did have a previous video that does an unboxing of everything that I got in my workshop kit, including this really cute binder. And so in the binder, I'll be putting the coloring cards that we used to help us color the different projects. So day 1, let me just pull out what we did for day 1. So day 1, it was these 3 coloring classes. This was Prisma pencils. I actually couldn't find my Prisma colored pencils, so as soon as I find those, I will probably color them and show them using this color chart, or inspired by this color chart. But in the meantime, I did use Copics, and I'll show you the project for that. And then the second class, we did Copic coloring, and then the third class, we did a sepia Copic coloring class. So let's see, go to the first project. So the first project, we did get the things to make the project. So we did get these turtles in our card kit. We also got these little fish die, which I already actually have that die. Everything else is cut out for us. So let me show you the project. And it is this really tall shadow box card. And so it opens up like this, how it opens up. So like that. And then it's just like a shadow box. So I think it's really, really cool. And I would have to make a very tall envelope that I don't know what I would do to make. I get some kind of box envelope maybe. I don't know, but it's really cool. And all the pieces were cut out for us, but it didn't use any special die to actually make the shadow box. This is a die, you know, just to make the window and everything. But the actual card itself was just paper that was cut. So pretty cool project. I think it was another thing I really liked about this La La Land card making. I mean, I love Tailored Expressions. Stamp Joy is really fun. But what I really, really loved about this one was that almost all the cards, the projects we made, were very unique. They weren't just simple, plain cards. They had pizzazz. So this was the first one we made. And then the second one was this Marcy with Camera. So Marcy with Camera was the second one. And so this one, we also got the, whoops, not the right. We also got the Marcy with Camera stamp set, as well as the Smile die that was in this. So it's a really tall card. But it kind of tilts, I don't know how to describe it, kind of. So let's get it so that it actually it tilts down. So it becomes it's kind of a unique. I kind of screwed up with my folds, so it's kind of has an extra fold in it, so it kind of gives it a little bit of problems. But yeah, so it kind of does this. You can see where I screwed up in the back. But yeah, kind of does this tilt thing, I guess. So kind of funky. I'd have to make it again to see how I feel about it. But it was fun to make. The other thing that we got in our kit is we got this paper pack, and so all the cards that we made went with that paper pack. And then we did our Copics to color, and we got this Smile die as part of our kit. And then some new product we got to try out was this cute sun and then these clouds. I have clouds just like these, I think, from my creative time, so I didn't buy that. So, I don't know, it's cute. Kind of stands like this. Can't really see it very well in the camera like that, but that was the second project that we made. And then the third one was coloring in sepia. So we did this Copic coloring in sepia class, and then we did the wrong one. Here it is. We also got the stamp set, which is Marcy with Suitcase. And when I was doing the coloring, I stamped everything out twice, and I colored a couple of things out twice. So I'll be making some other cards with this stamp set. But this is what we made, and I don't love the inside. I actually love the card itself. But anyway, this is my Marcy that I colored. I think she came out really, really good. And this is a new product that they have just released, is the Daisy die. But this was the stamp set that we had. And so it opens up like this. But I don't know. It's kind of weird. I don't know that it needs that. But anyway, cute. And again, all the paper was done using that kit. So that was what we did on the first day, and I'm going to do a quick video on the second day.